Hello, this video is for Math 154. Today we're looking at homework 2B, question number 20. I'm going to take a picture of this and then, so let me get my notepad open. Here it is. Okay, so we are converting temperatures from Fahrenheit to Celsius or vice versa. Okay, so first part, they're giving us 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, if you want to go from Fahrenheit to Celsius, I can see that we're going to use this formula that solves for Celsius. So let's plug it in. So the Celsius degree is going to be a fraction where we plug in 75 right in there. 75 minus 32. And after finding that difference, we're going to divide it by 1.8. Okay? So I'm going to go get a calculator open and I'll do that. Let me see if I have a Desmos. Oh, actually, I do have a Desmos right here. Desmos. It's a graphing calculator, but it will work. So I'm going to do a fraction bar, 75 minus, I forgot, what was it? 75 minus 32. Okay. 75 minus 32 divided by 1.8. It comes out to be 23.8 repeating. So we can round it up to 23.89. So 23 point, well, I was going to do 89, but they want one decimal place, right? So if you have 88, we're going to round that up to 90 or just 9 because this number 8 is bigger than 5. So let's round that up to 9. So I'm going to go enter that 23.9 on my lab homework. 23.9. 23.9. That should be good. And then I'll check answer. Nice work. All right. Now, the next part, look, we're going from Celsius to Fahrenheit. So we're going to use a different formula. We're going to use this formula. Because if you see the left side of it, they solved it for F, right? So if you have a Celsius degree, you're going to plug in that number 40 right in there. So let me do the work right here, okay? The Fahrenheit degree is going to be equal to 1.8 times 40. And then we have to add 32. Okay, I'm going to go type that into my calculator now, okay? So, 1.8 times 40 plus 32. The answer comes out to be 104 degrees Fahrenheit. 104. So, the answer is 104 degrees Fahrenheit. A hot day. So, let's go type that in my lab. 104. It's kind of hard to do it on my tablet. How do I delete it? Oh dear. I do not know how to delete it. Oh dear. The answer is 104. I knew it. I just can't type it in my iPad. So I'll just go ahead and get it wrong, okay? They're going to tell us, look at the correct answer, 104. It's so hard to type it on a tablet. Let's do the very last one. They want negative 20 degrees, okay? So where should we plug in this Celsius measure if you want the Fahrenheit measure? Well, if you want the Fahrenheit, we'll plug in right there. Because if you want your answer to be an F, the Celsius will go in right there. So let's do 1.8 times. But this time the degree is negative 20 plus 32. So this is what you want to type into the calculator this time. Okay, so I'll go back to the calculator and I'll just change it to negative 20. And it comes out to be negative 4 degrees Fahrenheit. So the answer is negative 4. I'm going to be careful and I'll try to type that in here. Negative 4. Where's the negative sign? Negative 4. All right, and that should be good. And that's how you can go from Fahrenheit to Celsius or vice versa on this homework question number 20.